This is a new concept and by far the best method for learning a new song. In guitar, the best way to get good timing is to practice with an even beat. This is called a metronome. All it does is make a sound at a regular interval. We call this interval the number of beats per minute, or BPM. Up to this point, every exercise you've done has been at 60 beats per minute, or 60 BPM. There are 60 seconds in a minute, so that means at 60 BPM, there is a sound exactly every second. You can try this out for yourself. If you go to Google and search metronome, a little widget pops up. By moving the slider, you can change the number of beats per minute. This is called the tempo of the song. Try sliding it to 60 BPM and press play. If you look at a clock that shows seconds, you'll notice that the time between beats is the same as the time for the second hand to move once. Most modern pop songs are at 120 BPM. That's the standard tempo. Slow songs will often be around 90 BPM, and some particularly fast ones may go up to 140 or higher. So how does this apply to our playing? Up to now, when we've sped up the exercises, we've gone from holding a note for 4 beats to holding it for 2 beats, and finally to 1 beat. But if we change the tempo, we can still hold for 4 beats, but make those 4 beats faster or slower. This way, we're not changing the individual timing of the notes in our song, we're changing the speed of the song itself. If you've ever heard a remix of a popular song, this is what they're doing if the remix is faster than the original, just changing the tempo.
I took a pill in Ibiza to show Avicii I was cool. I took a pill in Ibiza to show Avicii I was cool.
This also happens to be the single most effective way to learn new songs. It's exactly how I and every other single good guitarist learns a new song. When you're just learning a song, there's no way you can play it at full speed in the beginning. It'll just sound like a mess. But it doesn't take much practice to play it at a quarter of this original speed, or sometimes even less. By starting out super slow and gradually increasing speed, you'll learn to play things that are much faster and more accurately than fumbling around at regular speed. There are 2 easy and free ways to have a metronome. You can just use the one on Google or download an app. Similar to the guitar tuner, there are dozens of free ones that all do the same thing. Just search metronome on the App Store and pick one. Download a metronome app, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll try it out.